and strong at the same time with a little bit of fluffiness. I like the texture and I like the taste, but it's maybe a little bit too strong for me because I don't drink that much coffee. If you like a strong coffee flavor, then you'll definitely like this. Since it's cold, it's refreshing. And I let my wife try it, and she's a coffee connoisseur, and for her it's perfect. By the way, the size of this glass is equal to 2 cups, so it's bigger than a coffee mug. All right, we're gonna go horseback riding today, and we're here. So let's go riding.
Look at the roosters.
Wow, look at the roosters.
They can be aggressive too, right?
These would be like ponies.
That's a real small.
Those are so cute. Hi, pony.
Hi guys, welcome.
Hi.
Thank you. Is that a cow?
Jan, do you see? Hi. Hi. That's Biggie. She's so friendly.
Yeah, it's grown up here his whole life.
Hey.
Okay, don't look at my dad.